How to send Google Docs to email. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps by which you can add Google Docs to your email. So without any further ado, let's get started. On your Google Chrome browser, go to the docs.google.com website, after which this page will open up. Then after you're done completing your document, you can save it and then tap on the share option on the top right corner. It is located right next to your Google account icon. Just tap on it and then you'll be able to share it. After that, this prompt will open up that says name before sharing. You can simply name the document or you can keep it as it is. Also, you can share the untitled document and allow access to either the person with the link. After that, you can either press copy link or press the done option available. Here I'm going to copy the link and then I'm going to send an email to myself in order to show you an example. So I've composed it and then I've pasted the link and now I've pressed send. After that, as you can see, it has appeared upon my inbox, and once you press on the link, it will redirect you to the same document that I created. And there you go. That is how you can send Google Docs to your email. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.